Hello everyone, today I will review the dodocool gaming headset. The dodocool DA163 gaming headphones promise to offer you the same features as more expensive rivals but at more than half their price, without compromising sound quality and comfort in any way. The dodocool DA163 is a gigantic gaming headset that covers not only your ears but also a big part of the head. Despite their size, however, they are super comfortable, and it's all because of the choice of materials that the Chinese company used. At only 395 grams, this is no surprise, but while the materials feel good to the touch, dodocool used PU leather for the earmuffs, and the DA163 also comes with a soft head pad, plus adjustable headband. The soft ear cushion means you can use the headset for longer period of time without feeling any discomfort at all, especially because the ear is so big yet very light. There is no pressure on the head or the ear, and this is the result of the headphones not using too many metal parts. The base of the headset has good padding. Let's talk a bit about what this alleged gaming headset can offer. First and foremost, it comes with a USB cable that measures 2.2 meters and doesn't tangle, so you're going to avoid one of the biggest annoyances with headphones these days. For gaming, this is without a doubt the right way to go, but it limits the capabilities of the device in a substantial manner. For example, you won't be able to use them with a phone, tablet, or any other device that comes with a headphone jack. The earmuffs come with a built-in volume controller, which I honestly found way too easy to touch by accident, but also with red lights that turn on when output is detected. This makes the headset looks kind of cool, especially in complete darkness. The over-the-ear headphones also integrate a microphone that's built inside the muffs, and it offers an impedance of 2200 Greek letter omega and 52 plus or minus 3 decibels sensitivity. This means that it should work in most conditions, though others might have a hard time hearing you if you're in a noisy environment. As for the quality of the sound itself, dodocool says you're going to get 20 Hz 20 kHz frequency response and 108 decibels at 1 kHz sensitivity, with 3 decibels channel balance and impedance of 32 plus or minus 10% Greek letter omega. Maximum input power is 40 megawatts. In the end, the dodocool DA164 gaming headphones is a good choice if you know exactly what to expect from such a device. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.